Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of green color, and the next one is blue color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, the color of yellow, and the next one is black color, the last one is red color. First we are using the color of green, and now we draw the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing the color of green color. First we draw the alphabet of A. Now we draw the alphabet of A, and the next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw the alphabet of E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of F. And the next one is G. G for gorilla. Kids, the next one is H. Now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel, kids. Now we are mixing the color of blue. Now we mixing blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw the alphabet of T. T for tiger. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw the alphabet of V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we draw X. X for Xmas tree. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.